Okay. Hey guys, what's going on? Okay, Claude Code tip of the day. Just a sample workflow that I've done just now. So I've got, as everybody, as all of us, a lot of Instagram posts about Graphify, which helps save a lot of context in Claude. So I want to learn about it. So I went to the GitHub and install it. But I'm a very visual learner. So the way I do this, there's a NotebookLM skill in Claude Code. I trigger that and literally conversational, which is amazing. If I go up here, let's have a look. I literally said, can you, and let me make it a little bigger for us. Literally said, can you use a notebook LM and create an infographic and presentation in my branding, teaching how Graphify works? And then use basically my co-work folder, which I have all my actual preferences, all the learnings I have in one single like a system, or Claude Code OS. More videos on that in the future, as your inspiration information that you need. And it does. As we have this authenticated skill, it creates a Graphify explained, and inside here there's a presentation, which I'm looking at it with you guys at the same time. So it's for me to actually teach this as I go through it, how it works. So you went over how the LLMs fail in the memory, how Graphify fixed the problems. This is definitely the color of my brand as well. Presentation, great. Now, a more simplistic approach, yet still very visual, the infographic. So create an infographic for us, explaining, let me just zoom in a little bit, explaining, I love the style, on how the problem is solved. There's a row folder tribe, everything in there for LLM. It pipelines the knowledge through it. And you go through it. Let me zoom in a bit more. So you can see the point is a very visual, super visual way of learning things, automated through your conversation with AI. So if you give enough context to Claude, enough files and appropriate skills, not 1,000 skills, not all the skills you see on the internet, and be careful those. Some have injections that would not be good for your LM and safety wise, but not all the skills, appropriate skills. I would say I'm varying with 10 to 20 skills, including the coding framework that I use, as the skills that make most of the work for me. So if you want to learn more, follow, and you get things like this for yourself done in minutes as well. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye bye.